On this video today, I'm going to show you another cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Build, you can join CPA Lead, you can join OGRs, you can join any CPA network that you know. In this case, we are using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide, so if you want this platform, you can search for it and then join. Once you join CPA Group and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, you are going to click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, you are going to select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find an offer that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote on this platform. CPA offers, they are geo-specific, so what you have to do is that you have to select a specific country so that you can get offers to promote in that country. You can see these offers, you have to promote them to people who live in the United Kingdom. You can see a whole lot of them. But these offers, the payout is very low, so I'm going to show you a country where you can get offers with higher payout so that you can promote them and earn money. To select a country, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to type the name of the country that you are searching for. In this case, you are going to search for Ireland, so type Ireland right here. Once you type it, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down so that you can find an offer to promote. Once you scroll down, you can see this is an offer that you can promote. The payout is $6.84. You can see it is allowed on Android. You can see the device here. The requirement is pin submit. That means your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can win the prize, and you are going to be paid $6.84. There are a lot of them. You can see this offer right here. Access the best gaming content. The payout is $9.33, and you can see right here the offer is allowed on Android. The requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers so that they can get access to the gaming content. Once they enter their mobile numbers, you are going to be paid $9.33. So now what you have to do is that you have to select one of these offers and then promote it so that you can earn a commission anytime you get a lead. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer right here because it's one of the offers that has a higher payout. So we are going to be promoting it. To promote it, you have to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link and then drive traffic to that affiliate link. So just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see right here, this is the image of the offer. This is the warning. This offer is only allowed on Android in Ireland. This is your affiliate link. So you have to get people who live in Ireland to click on this link and then enter their mobile numbers so that they can get access to the gaming content. Once they enter their mobile numbers, you are going to be paid $9.33. You can see right here, they have a lot of different tracking domains that you can select. If you want, you can select any of them. Once you select your domain, the next step is that you are going to drive traffic to this affiliate link. There are a lot of different ways that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link. They have free method and then a paid method. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to get people who live in Ireland to click on your link and then enter their mobile numbers to get access to the game, and you are going to be paid. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, adport.io. On this website, you can buy traffic at a very cheap cost, and the best part is that you can select any country that you want. There are a lot of different countries that you can use this website to target those countries. So you can create an account and then begin to use the website to target any country that you want. You are going to be getting real human beings who are going to click on our link and then take the action for us to make money. To create an account, you are going to click right here, advertiser. Once you click on it, you are going to enter this form. You are going to enter your name, your email address. You are going to select the messenger that you are using. You can see Skype, ICQ, Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, WeChat. The last one is Jabas. You can see the rest of the details that you have to enter. You can see a lot of them. Once you enter the details, you are going to click right here. I have read and accepted the basic information on data protection. You have to click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to enter this code right here. You have to enter it right here. Once you enter it, you are going to click on sign up so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to create a campaign. To create a campaign, you can click right here, create a campaign, or you can come right here, click on it, and then select campaigns. Once you click on it, you can create a campaign. In this case, I'm going to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to select your ad format. You can see they have pop under, push notification, interstitial ads. So if you want, you can select any of them. In this case, I'm going to select push notification. So you are going to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on create campaign, you are going to see a page like this. So the first step is that you have to enter your campaign name right here. In this case, we are going to type game content. Just type something like this, game content. Once that is done, we are going to select the status of your ad after approval. So you want to select active. Once you select active, immediately they approve it, your ad is going to start running. So select active. Once that is done, you are going to select the country that you are targeting. You can see global, so you are going to select the country that you are targeting. So click on it. Once that is done, you are going to select the kind of traffic that you want. If you want adult traffic, you can select that. Non-adult traffic, you can select that. In this case, you don't need adult traffic, so select non-adult. Once that is done, you can see campaign type. You are going to click on it and then select push notification. Once you select the campaign type, the next step is that you are going to select the start time. So if you want your ad to start on a specific date, you can select it right here. Once that is done, you can see the price and cost per click, the amount that you are going to pay per every click. You can see right here, this is the default cost per click and it's very low. So what you have to do is that you have to make it higher a little bit so that you can get a lot of traffic. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to enter 0.009. This is the amount that I'm going to pay per every click that I get. If you want, you can lower it or you can make it higher. It depends on what you want. Once you have entered that, the next step is that we are going to click right here, budget and caps. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see budget, the amount that you want to spend on your ad. You can enter any amount that you want. In this case, I'm going to enter $50. Once you enter that, you can set unlimited or whatever that you want. In this case, I'm going to leave it like this. Once you enter the total budget, you can enter the daily budget right here. In this case, I'm going to enter $10 per day. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. You can see ASAP and even. If you select ASAP, that means as soon as possible. If you select that option, this website can spend your money at any time. They can spend it in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. In this case, I don't want that. I want to select even. That means they have to spend the money on my ad from morning to evening. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see impression. If you want to limit the amount of impression that your ad get, you can select that. You can see clicks. If you want to limit the amount of clicks that you get, you can select that. If you want to set a cap on the daily clicks that you get, you can also enter it right here. If you want to set a limit on the daily impression, you can enter it right here. In this case, I'm not going to do that. So the next step is that you're going to click right here, targeting. Once you click on targeting, you can see country. You're going to select the country that you are targeting. So just click on it and then search for the country that you are targeting. In this case, we are targeting Ireland. So you have to search for Ireland. Once you search for it, you can see it, select it. Once you enter the country, if you want to target by a city, a state, or postal code, you can select that. But in this case, we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see careers. You are going to leave it as all. Once that is done, you can see traffic source. You are going to leave it as all. You can see operating system, the kind of operating system that you want to use. In this case, we need Android, so you are going to click on it and then select Android mobile. Once that is done, you are going to select Android tablet. The offer is allowed on Android devices, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can scroll down and then enter the rest of the details. You can see the operating system version. The offer is allowed on all Android versions, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see device brand, just leave it, there's no restriction. You can see browsers, there's no restriction. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see languages. You have to select the language that people in Ireland speak. The people in Ireland speak English, so you're going to select English. Once that is done, you're also going to search for Irish. So search for Irish. You can see Irish right here, select that. Once that is done, you can see source type, just leave it. Once you enter the details, you're going to scroll upwards and then click right here, creative. Once you click on creative, the next step is that you are going to enter the title of your ad and the description of your ad. So what we have to do is that we have to go back on CPA group so that we can get a title and an image of the offer. Once you come back on CPA Grip, we are going to download the image of the offer. So you are going to put your pointer on the image. Once you put your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images. Once you click on that, you are going to save your image. Once you save the image, the next step is that we are going to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to paste the description of the offer right here. So you are going to come back on CPA Grip and then highlight and copy the description of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see icon, it is required. Image, it is optional. So we are going to upload the image of the offer as icon image. So what you have to do is that you have to design the icon image on Canva. Canva is a graphic designing website that you can use to design anything that you want. On Canva, you can create an account for free and then use it to design anything that you want. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload, so that you can upload your image. Once you click on upload, you're going to click on choose files. Once you click on it, select the image of the offer and then click on open. Once you upload the image, you are going to click right here, use in a new design. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select custom size. Once you click on that, you are going to enter 192 by 192 pixels. You are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to click on create new design. Once you click on create new design, you can see the design has been created. The next step is that you're going to click right here, share, so that you can download your image. Once you click on share, you're going to select download. Once you click on download, you're going to leave it as PNG file. Once that is done, click on download. You can see right here the image is downloading. You can see it is downloading. The image has been downloaded. Once you download the image, the next step is that you're going to come back, click right here so that you can upload the image. Once you click on it, you're going to select the image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. This is the image and you can see the preview right here. If you want, you can upload the same image, but in this case I'm going to leave it like this. So just leave it. This is the preview of the ad. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, you are going to click on URL. Once you click on URL, you are going to see a page like this. You can see URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So just come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you can see day pattern. You are going to click on it. Once you click on it, you can select any day that you don't want your ad to run. If you don't want your ad to run at 5 o'clock on Mondays, you can deselect it. Any of the days that you want, you can deselect it. But in this case, I'm going to allow my ad to run on all days and at all times. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see optimization. Click on it. Once you click on it, if you want to set a rule, you can click right here to set a rule. But we are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see events. Click on it. We are not going to do any of this, so just leave it. You can see custom targeting. We are not going to do that, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see micro bidding. Just leave it. Now once you have entered all the details about your ad, the next step is that you are going to publish it. To publish it, you are going to click right here, save. Once you click on save, you can see your balance is 0, so your ad is not going to get traffic. What you have to do is that you have to deposit money before you can be able to publish an ad on this website. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, top up. Once you click on top up, you can deposit money into your accounts and then begin to use this website to run ads at a cheaper cost. You can see the minimum deposit is $50. This is one of the best because even if you're a beginner with low budget, you can use it to run ads. Apart from that, they also have a lot of different payment methods that you can select to deposit money into your accounts. If you want wire transfer, you can select that. PayPal, you can select that. Visa card, MasterCard, Discover card, whatever that you want, you can use it to also deposit money into your accounts. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be using this website to run ads at a cheaper cost so that you can be making money on CPA Grip. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.